I'm John. I'm going to demonstrate my anti-theft alarm system that can be used in instances where the thief would bore a hole through the wall or the floor of a building. This system uses a circuit that is embedded within the cemented wall or floor of a building, which, when cut, will trigger the system to sound the alarm. This system can be used with an indoor alarm, a car alarm, or a cell phone alarm. In this demonstration, I'm going to use an indoor alarm and a cell phone alarm, and hopefully both of them will go off. Alright, here it goes. This cement block will represent the wall or the floor of the building that has been embedded with the circuit. Alright, here it goes. Alright, as you can see, the first alarm is alright, I'll count that up for a while. That was the indoor alarm, and the second one is the cell phone alarm, which of course has an advantage because you have the element of surprise, so you can catch the thief in progress. Alright, thank you.